Hey, it's Josie with Affirmation Pod, and this is where you get soothing affirmations to take you from negative thinking to positive thinking, self-criticism to self-love. And there's over 550 episodes to choose from, so I welcome you to make yourself at home. Welcome to new listeners. Welcome back to returning listeners. We're getting close to the end of the year, and I think this year more than most, I'm looking forward to a reset. I even would love a day where I can just go through files on my computer, photos on my phone, and just declutter, clean some things up. I also want to reassess some of the social spaces I'm in and check where I need to adjust some boundaries so that some social relationships can be more arm's length. And so on this topic, before I forget, next week's episode is Your Best 2025. If you're new for many years now, I have a Your Best Year episode. And so if you're looking for Your Best 2025, please make sure you stay tuned for next week's episode. But today's episode is Positive Affirmations 2. That's pretty self-explanatory, isn't it? The sister episode will be Positive Affirmations 1. Why don't we now become aware of our body's posture? Maybe notice any tension in the muscles of your face. Let yourself relax. Here's Positive Affirmations 2. I accept and embrace myself. I care for myself with love and compassion. I am worthy just as I am. I live my life instead of someone else's life. I live and let others live. I turn negative thoughts to positive thoughts. I make time to play. I practice wholeness. I choose myself. I am worthy of being loved and cared for. My life is full of possibilities. I help myself feel good. I I bring myself to peaceful spaces. I go to where I am comfortable being myself. I am worthy of love, success, and happiness. I am true to myself. I love, honor, and respect myself. I have so much to be grateful for. I celebrate my successes. I am healthy and strong. I am at peace and I am at ease. Remember, this episode is available for you morning, noon, or night. If ever you need to just pause your day for a few minutes and step out of negative thinking, critical thinking, spiraling down, input downs in your mind, come to this one or any of the affirmations to help build you up and keep you going. Sometimes new podcasters ask me, how do you keep going? Like hundreds and hundreds of episodes plus the bonus ones. And for me, it genuinely is a joy and a privilege to come and bring you affirmations every week. Podcasts reach people all over the world and right when you need it. Many have shared that they've listened when they're having a good cry or facing really overwhelming stress. I'm so thankful I can be offering this to you, and I look forward to bringing you new episodes in the new year as well. Now, I mentioned those bonus episodes. If you're looking for over 100 bonus episodes that you won't hear on this podcast, plus all the episodes of Affirmation Pod ad and announcement free, that's available for premium access members. And shout out to my longtime premium access members joining me right through 2025. I have not raised the price of premium access since I started offering it because I want to make it affordable for you. Find out more or join today by going to affirmationpod.com/join. That's affirmationpod.com/join. Hey, it's Josie here. Thanks for listening today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to play another episode right now.